Good evening, students. Today I am going to start your chapter Probability of 11th Standard from Maharashtra State Board. Now, what do you understand by the probability? We have studied the probability chapter since your 10th standard, 9th standard. So you know the basic concept of the probability. Probability means chance of happening something. So the chance of happening of an event in terms of number is said to be the probability. बराबर है कि नहीं? So we are going to study the probability, some advanced level of probability in your 11th standard. Now when I will ask you what is the probability of getting head when I toss a coin, what is the probability of getting head or tail when I toss a coin? Generally you will say the 50-50%, क्योंकि head एक होता है tail एक होता है, तो you will say the 50-50%. बराबर है. So what you are giving me reply, that is a theoretical value, because in a probability we are calculating the value, two types of value. One is a empirical or a experimental value, and second one is a theoretical value. Theoretical value only we can judge it, कि जज की बाबा ये मैच जीतने वाले, तो टीम ए है और टीम बी है, तो हम लोग बोलते क्या बोलते हैं, टीम ए एंड टीम बी दोनों के जीतने की चांसेस 50-50% है. बट जीतने के टाइम पे एक को 80% से आगे रहता है या 20% पीछे रहता है, ऐसे कुछ तो भी प्रोबेबिलिटी उनकी निकलती है. तो ऐसे टाइप के प्रोबेबिलिटी को हम लोग बोलते हैं एक्सपेरिमेंटल प्रोबेबिलिटी और empirical probability. One more example. Suppose I am अभी now only I told you कि when I toss a coin, then what happen? Either head will come or tail will come. But हम लोग इसको 50-50% करें, पर मैंने अभी सपोज मी आता फेकतेच आहे, कोणाला फेकते, कॉईनला फेकते, तर मला आता हेड आला आहे, परत फेकला, परत हेड आला, परत फेकला, परत हेड आला, तर तुम्ही इथे बोलू शकत नाही की 50-50% येणार आहे, की आता हेड आलं तर नक्कीच नेक्स्ट टाईममध्ये टेलच आला पाहिजे. ठीक आहे ना. सो व्हॉट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इज द एक्सपेरिमेंटल प्रोबॅबिलिटी. सो एक्सपेरिमेंटल प्रोबॅबिलिटी मीन्स नथिंग बट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ सॅम्पल नंबर ऑफ इवेंट्स अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ इवेंट्स, जैसे टोटल नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स. So let us start with your 11th. So if we have some terminology in the 11th standard, that is a random experiment. What do you understand by the random experiment? So I have written over here, an experiment is called the random experiment if it has more than one outcome. It is not possible to predict the outcome in advance. It means what is, let me give you the example. Suppose a coin is tossed. So what I am getting, head and tail. So it has more than one outcome or not? See, H and T means more than one. So this is the first condition is satisfied, and we can't, it is not possible to predict the outcome in advance, because I can't say the head will come first or the tail will come first. So we can't predict the result in advance. Similarly with the case of the when we die, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, so we don't know whether 1 will come or 2 will come or 3 will come. So in this is the random experiment. In this it means somebody is that it has more than one outcome and it is not possible to predict that which outcome will come in advance. ठीक है. Now outcome, what do you understand by the outcome? Outcome is a possible result of a random experiment. ठीक है. This is the possible outcome. So H आया, H is the outcome, T is the outcome, 1 is the outcome, 2 is the outcome, 3 is the outcome, 4 is the outcome, 5 is the outcome. This is whatever the result we are getting after doing our random experiment, and that comes to be the outcomes. ठीक है. After that, sample space, set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called the sample space. So S is equal to HT, S is equal to 1 to, when we arrange this our outcomes in a set form, then we say that it is a sample space. ठीक है. So random experiment, outcome, sample space. For the time being we have need these three things. So let us start our first exercise without wasting a single minute, because we have to do our exercise. Now in this exercise we know that you can see that there are 17 sums. So I am not going to solve all the sums, so I will take alternate sum or I will try to take the 10 sums out of this 17 sum. 10 sums you have to do your homework and you have to show me. Now your first sum is that if 2 pens are selected one after the other with replacement, if 2 pens means we have to select the 2 pens from the 4 pens. Which type of pen are they? Red, green, blue and purple. What I have to select them. So I can select with replacement आहे. रेड काढला मी, परत रेड येऊ शकतो, बिकॉज आफ्टर टेकिंग आउट द रेड आय एम अगेन पुटिंग दैट रेड इन दैट कॉम्बिनेशन. सो रेड हो सकता है, रेड ग्रीन, रेड ब्लू, रेड पर्पल, आफ्टर दैट ग्रीन रेड, ग्रीन ब्लू, ग्रीन पर्पल, ग्रीन ग्रीन, ब्लू रेड, ब्लू ग्रीन, ब्लू ब्लू, ब्लू पर्पल, पर्पल रेड, पर्पल ग्रीन, पर्पल ब्लू, पर्पल ब्लू. ठीक है. So these are the let us write all the outcomes over here. Let me write it. Red red, red green, red blue, red purple, green red, green blue, green green, green purple. After that blue red, blue green, blue blue, blue purple. After that purple red, purple green, purple blue and purple purple. So these are the sample space. ठीक है. Now second event is asking you that event of selection at least one red pen. कमीत कमी एक रेड पेन पाहिजे. आता कमीत कमी आय हॅव टोल्ड यू 110. कमीत कमी मतलब की एक या एक से ज़्यादा. तो कमीत कमी वन रेड पेन. तर बघा इथे रेड पेनची कंडिशन्स यू कॅन सी हिअर. सी फ्रॉम द कमीत कमी वन रेड पेन. मग 2 असले तरी चालेल. Any more options are there? No. So event at least one red pen. ठीक है. Now 2 pens red, 2 pens of the same color not selected. Same color and not selected. So we have to reject this one. Now we have to take this one. Same color na. GG is also there. Where is GG? This. So you have to write the other whatever the remainings are there. Are you getting, students? Please respond me after watching this video. Now so first question was very easy, so I have taken it in a very short manner. Now come to the second question. Second question is that, where is my textbook? Yes, question number second is this: a coin and a die are tossed simultaneously. Yes, of course we have studied this question is in your 10th standard also. A coin and a die, coin and a die. So अगर मैंने coin फेंका है तो मेरे पास head आ रहा है, die फेंकेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 1 आ जाएगा. बराबर है ना. हेड 2, हेड 3, हेड 4, हेड 5, हेड 6. अगेन इफ आई थ्रो द टेल आया तो टेल 1, T2, T3, T4. स्टुडंट्स हे खूप सोपे गणित आहे, तर मी फटाफट घ्यायचा प्रयत्न करणार आहे, कारण ही आपली एक प्रकारची रिव्हिजन आहे. सो दॅट 9.2 आणि 9.3, 9.4 त्याच्या पुढे तुम्हाला थोडंसं नवीन कन्सेप्ट असणार आहे. बट आता घ्यायचं तर सुरुवातीपासून घ्यायचं होतं, म्हणून आय एम टेकिंग दिस वन. नाव यू नो अ हेड, अ कॉइन अँड अ डाय इज टॉस्ड. सो condition is given that getting a 10 and a even odd number, getting a tell and odd number, see tell and odd number, T1, very simple. Second, getting a prime number, getting a second part is there's some mistake because they have written only the getting a prime number. It should be getting a head or tail prime number. Something, it should be something like getting a head or a prime number or getting tail. So let us take the head and a prime number. So it will be the H2. All of you know that 2 is what is prime number? Prime number काय होतो? प्राइम नंबर असा नंबर आहे जो फक्त स्वतःचे आणि एकाचे टेबलमध्ये जातो. फक्त त्याच्यात 2च फॅक्टर्स असतात, एक स्वतः असतो आणि एक 1 असतो. लक्षात घ्या, नॉट मोर दॅन 2. नॉट मोर दॅन 2 फॅक्टर्स. तर त्याला आपण बोलतो प्राइम नंबर. आणि मोर दॅन 2 फॅक्टर्स असतात तर त्याला कंपोजिट नंबर बोलतो आपण. ठीक आहे. सो हेड 2 1 का प्राईम नंबर नाही, बिकॉज 1ला फक्त 1च आहे, बाकी दुसरा नाही आहे. 2ला कसं आहे, 2साठी एक 1 × 2 अँड 2ला कसं असं 2नी पण होतं आणि 2च्या टेबलमध्ये पण 2 येतो. 2 1 जा 2 आणि 1 2 जा 2. सो 2 फॅक्टर्स आलेले आहे. 1साठी अशी कंडिशन फॉर्म होत नाही आहे. सो H2 प्राईम नंबर ना, H3 अँड H5. नाव C इव्हेंट इज getting a head and a perfect square. Getting a head and a perfect square. Better students make a correction in a textbook. There should be prime number with a tail or with a head. Just write down. If tail will be there, you write the TT. If there will be the head, you write the HH. So second event, C event is that odd number on the first die. Odd number on the first die are getting a head and odd number. No. Getting a head and a perfect square. Head and a perfect square. 1 is a perfect square. And 4 is a perfect square. So these are the solution for this one. Now come to the question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is that find the number of sample space each of the following random experiment from an urn म्हणजे bag, from an urn containing 5 gold and 3 silvers, 5 gold and 3 silver coins. 3 coins are drawn at random. Means how many total coins are there? 3 coins are to be drawn from the. Now we have total number of coins are. Total number of coins, that is 5 gold and 3 silver equal to 8 coins are there. Now we have to select 3 coins are to be drawn. 3 coins are drawn from the urn. Urn means a bag. So it can be done in a 8C3 ways. 8 में से निकालना है ना, so 8C3 ways. Now all of you know C is the combination, permutation combination we have studied. Combination is for the selection and permutation for is the arrangement. So we are selecting the from 8, we are selecting the 3 coins. So let us solve this one. How to solve this one? 8 1. So number of, first of all let us calculate, this is the number of sample space. 8C3 means 8 into 7 into 6 upon 3 into 2 into 1. So which is equal to 6 6 cancel, 8 7s are 56. So 56 here, 56 is your NS. Now let us start with one by one points. So which are the points are there? Question of first part is over na, 3 coins. Now 5 letters are to be placed. Okay, second question is this one. Question number 2, B part. B part is 5 letters are to be placed in a 5 envelope in such a way no envelope is empty. 5 letters are to be placed in a 5 envelope. 5 letters are to be placed in a 5 envelope. See, 5 envelopes. Suppose I have these 5 envelopes. 1 2 3 4 5. ठीक है. Now I have to place the 5 letters in 5 envelopes. So first letter कैन बी फिल्ड इन अ 5 ways और ना, वो यहाँ पे भी जा सकता है. पहिला पत्र इथे पण पोस्ट करू शकते मी, इथे पण करू शकते, इथे पण पोस्ट करू शकते, इथे पण करू शकते, इथे पण पोस्ट करू शकते. सो 5 लेटर कॅन बी प्लेस्ड इन टू 5 letters can be placed in 5 envelope in 5 different ways. Now since condition is given to you that no envelope should empty, बराबर है. So second letter can be placed in the, अभी ये तो हो गया. Now second letter can be filled in a 4 ways. So this will be over. Third letter can be filled in a 3 ways. This will be over. Second letter can be filled in a 2 ways, and last letter will be filled in a this way. Similarly, we can show this. Therefore,